Hello beautiful people, my name is Rocky Champon, and until 3 months ago my credit was shot. Okay, I was in the low 530s, and until I got an opportunity to try this company, and guys, this company went to work. Within the course of 3 months my credit increased by 183 points. I was literally stoked. I was blown away. The company went to work, deleted a ton of stuff from my credit report. And guys, I don't know what you're going through. Is it the car you want? Is it the house you want to get approved for? Is it the mortgage loan you need? Is it the loans that you need? Your personal loans, guys. I don't know if it's a credit card you're trying to get approved for. Anything you need that is contingent on credit, guys. If you have poor credit, trust me, you will be in the struggle. Okay, you won't be approved for everything you need, and if you get approved, trust me, your interest rates are going to be through the roof. Now, if you want to take advantage of this, click on the link below, get started with this company, and see your life get changed.